Valentines is coming. Where is your boyfriend?
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. Here are 3 facts about Valentine's Day in Jamaica. Number 1, it falls on February 14th. Number 2, it is not a public holiday, it is just an observance. Number 3, it is a day that celebrates all things love. Honestly, I don't think Jamaicans do anything uniquely Jamaican for Valentine's Day. And please correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. I know that we do the normal Valentine's Day things, weekend getaways, chocolates, acts of service, all of those things. But I don't think there's any unique Jamaican Valentine's Day activity or celebrations. Anyway, in today's video, I will teach you how to say I love you in Jamaican Patois, and maybe your Valentine's Day will be a little bit more special. So, I love you in Jamaican Patois is me love you. Me love you. Me love you. Me love you. And to respond to I love you, you would probably say I love you too. And in Jamaican Patois, I love you too is me love you too. Me love you too. Me love you too. And a common phrase that you would normally hear is you know say me love you. You know say me love you. It sounds like a question, but most of the times it isn't, and it is used when someone does something that you would consider thoughtful and you want to show appreciation, or it's a way to say thank you, it's a way to say I love you. You know say me love you. You know say me love you. So to say I love you, once again, me love you. To say I love you too, me love you too. And and this phrase is quite common. You know say me love you. You know say me love you. So will you be telling someone that you love them in Jamaican Patois this Valentine's Day? Leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you have any other questions regarding Jamaican Patois grammar, Jamaican Patois vocabulary, please leave those questions in the comment section as well. Do you know how to ask someone's name in Jamaican Patois? Do you know how to count in Jamaican Patois? Well, please check out those videos on this channel as well.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.